Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And this is the unboxing of the production version Kingsong S18. Let me tell you more about it. Wrong Way. And of course, huge thanks to Kingsong and mywheel.com who provided me this wheel for testing purposes. And if you want to get the S18 or the V11 or any wheel, you can check out the links below to mywheel.com. You also do get a 5% discount for any wheel that is in My eWheels offer, except for the ones that are discounted. So without any further ado, the box is big. Let's open it up. It was actually sent to Spain, where I was on vacation, and I wanted to do the tests there, but sadly, the shipping just took too long, and I was already back in Warsaw when the wheel came there. So I had to ship it back here. Okay, this is exciting. Let me switch the camera angle. Nice styrofoam. Oh, that's super high quality styrofoam. And it's upside down. Well, I think I have to. Okay, so we do get some stuff right away. A user manual to the bicycle shock that is in the Kingsong S18. This is, a standard bicycle shock, so you can fit whatever into the S18. That's a difference to the V11, so we got a user's manual for that. Oh yeah, here we have also some guides to, the tire pressure that you should have. So yeah, you can adjust your tire pressure according to your weight and where you want to ride. The same, actually, pump that I get in the V11. A cable. This is the... Wen was talking to me about it. This is the custom Kingsong brick. This is essentially, you put it into somewhere into the suspension or in the shell of the unicycle, so you can adjust the pressure. Alright, and we have a charger, which is 2.5 amps, so exactly the same like the V11. I think it's actually the same charger. Oh, so now I can fast charge the V11. So yeah, charging time will be, what? 210 watts, so the battery is 1000 to 110 watt hours, I believe, so it'll take like 5-6 hours for a full charge. And I got the black version. Alright. I was hoping for the white one, but the black one will do. 1080 watt hours. Okay, right away the sticker is a bit misaligned, but well, that's fine. Yeah, that'll do. And let's take her out. Okay, trolley handle goes up. And oh my god! This is a thing of beauty, I think. Wow. Wow. Ooh. This looks like a spaceship. Wow. Okay, so a couple of things changed here because this is the final production version. So now we have the golden trim here. We have actually the same damper that was first in the S18. These sliders are now made out of steel instead of aluminum, or aluminum for you Americans. Now there's also the height adjustment of the foot plate. Yeah, you can get it down, I think a centimeter or so. So This is something that has been added on later. We have now the thicker padding on the side. Now I didn't write the original test version of the S18, so I don't have a comparison, but this looks rather thick. But I just got these side pads from EUC Guy. Huge shout out to EUC Guy. And I think somehow maybe I'll be able to mount them, because yeah, this just would work a lot better, but not really sure how I'll mount them here. Maybe I'll put them on a V11. Yeah, maybe here. I don't know, but yeah, these are pretty cool. So anyhow, shell durability should be also increased with a different material. This is sort of like a soft touch material, almost. This is like hard plastic on the V11. And yeah, let's turn. Oh yeah, and another thing is there was a tire rubbing noise inside of the S18. Now that should be gone. There is reflective, the strip here now. I think that wasn't here as well, and the mudguard is also better mounted. But yeah, okay. So one thing I wanted to see is weight. So here's my limited edition weight. So let's just weigh it, and 25 kilograms. And this wheel has 1,100 watt hours. Let's see the V11. 3 kilogram difference, but also 400 watt hours of battery more. For comparison, I can also take the MSS, and the MSS is 24 kilograms with a 1800 watt hour battery. So yeah, rather heavy, but maybe the ride will justify the weight. Okay, so now I'm watching when cheers to you, how to inflate the King Song. Okay, so he said, no, I need to get the wheel down. Okay. Boom. Okay, the wheel is flat.
Take the brick that's located in your wheel, in the box.
Oh, that's what the brick was for.
Place it right here.
Okay. Okay, so the brick is located properly, I think. Oh, let's make so gooey. Let's try. Okay, so the brick is in the right spot, I think. Let's see. You can see it right here, the brick. So I think now we can remove the brick by removing the brick somehow. Okay guys, well, interruptions. I keep trying and trying, but somehow I just can't seem to, make the wheel active, because I've upgraded the software of the app and I'm trying to upgrade the wheel, but as you can see, this bar is not moving at all. So I'll probably have to wait, contact Jack from Kingsong or my eWell to, check what the issue is. So essentially what happens is I turn on the wheel. It looks beautiful. I go into the app. Then I see connects, yeah, app crashes, but that's usual. That's not a big issue, but I connect to the app. Then I either get a prompt to upgrade, but I don't want to upgrade, and then current vehicle has been locked, please contact agent or manufacturer. So yeah, I guess no S18 riding today, maybe. Anyways, I wanted to show you the wheel. I wanted to show you the wheel a bit more. I like the pedals, they're very elongated and narrow, which is, you know, pretty cool. The shocks are more of a bronze color than a gold, so that's what it looks like to me. We can also check out the trolley handle, which is, yeah, it's on a very nice height. Looks cool. And this is how it looks like when it's closed and fully closed. And you can't really grab the wheel when it's closed, so if you do some trail riding, it's kind of hard to grab onto it. The lights are supposedly twice as strong as on the 16X. That's what I read in the owner's manual. Looks pretty cool, but all in all, like, look, there's goo here, like silicone for some reason. Like the pads also are like, you know, yeah, it's like, I don't know, man. It's like if you have this wheel next to it, like compared like these pads, this is like this is like quality, and yeah, it just modern, everything works, blah blah blah. And here it's like a bit better goo. Here's like, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. So sadly for now I can't turn it on, and after a quick chat with my e-wheel, I contacted my wheel directly. It works, and the LEDs look so cool. Oh, boom. And you can also see the battery indicator here. I mean, this thing looks super cool. And lights, and these lights are supposed to be super bright, and as you can see, the beam, as usual in King's song, high beam, low beam, and both beams at the same time. I hear no tire noise, I mean no rubbing noise, and oops, suspension, ooh, very soft, works. Alrighty, so stay tuned for the review. This reminds me of Kid. So if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.